Skylotec Lory Pro. The Lory Pro is designed for 7/16 inch to half-inch ropes. Orient the device based on the markings on the side plate. In most cases, the hole for the connector should be pointing toward the ground. Next, open the side plate and locate the markings that indicated how to correctly install the rope. For the Lory Pro, the anchor end of the rope simply goes in through the top of the device, with the loose end of the rope coming out of the bottom. Close the side plate and install your locking carabiner. You can now connect the device to your fall protection harness.